So I have 4 palm trees in my front yard, and I've done this one, and that one. I just need to do that one right back there. I'm gonna do a zoom up on it up close when I'm cleaning it, pressure washing it, and I'll do a time lapse so you can see the before and after. This is what it usually looks like. So it's time to do this tree right over here. And if you want to see a more in-depth review on this type of pressure washer, just check out the link I provided in the description below. So all you need to run this thing is some water, make sure it's fully opened up, and then power it on. I have an extension cord over there. And then before you actually turn it on, you want to run the water to take out all the bubbles and air that might be in the system. Once you have a steady flow, then you can go ahead and turn it on and a little pressure on and cut back off as needed. And we're going to be using this turbo nozzle right here to get this job done. So that looks like it. All right, so here's a close-up of pressure washing the palm tree. All right, all done pressure washing all 4 palm trees. That one, this one, that one over there, and this one on the left corner over here. As you can see here, it's not a mildew looking green, gray looking color. Now it's more of a cork brown color, so definitely worked. Again, I use a turbo nozzle with that Ryobi pressure washer. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you all for watching.